next, viewers, we're tracking developments with respect to the UP government machinery's crackdown on black money and tax evasion. We had seen how the IT department had carried out raids at 50 locations in Uttar Pradesh, NCR, and Mumbai yesterday. And now the IT team has taken the cash counting machines to perfume trader Malik Mia's residence and yesterday, where they had been carrying out raids. Now it seems that there is a lot of unaccounted cash that will also be seized by the authorities, since now cash counting machines are being taken to those residences, to those premises where the raids in fact were being carried out, and those visuals are on your screen, viewers, where the cash counting machines are now being taken in by the IT department authorities as well. For more details, let me go across to my colleague Sumi, who's joining us on the broadcast. Sumi, now we see the major crackdown on tax evasion and unaccounted cash that is being carried out by the UP government machinery, and now cash counting machines being taken to those premises of Malik Mia. What more are you picking up?
Yes, absolutely. Several properties of Malik Mia, another perfume industrialist, have been constantly raided by a joint team of DGGI and the Income Tax Department. In fact, we've been witnessing a series of raids now after Piyush Jain's property was raided and his residence was raided, and a lot of unaccounted cash had been seized by these officials. Mian Malik's Kanpur residence, Mian Malik's Kannauj residence near Sadar Kotwali area is being constantly looked into by the officials, and apart from that, there is also a separate raid going on in his properties in the national capital as well. So all these properties of these perfume industrialists on the accusation and on the allegation of tax evasion is certainly going on, and in fact there is a heavy crackdown that we are witnessing in various parts of the country. And after Piyush Jain's residence, we had seen the kind of cash and the kind of confiscation that happened at his residence. Apart from several other properties, we had seen how other people such as Mayur Vanaspati and Praveen Jain's residence were also raided. Now there's another name that is added to the list of the raids and industrialists.
Sumi, I request you to stay on with us. I'm also being joined by Anila Singh, the BJP spokesperson, who's joining us on the broadcast. Anila Singh, we see how this crackdown was carried out on several perfume traders and businessmen, and now we see Malik Mia's residence. Also, that there is so much of unaccounted cash that is going to be seized by the authorities.
A very happy new year to you and to all the viewers. And definitely this happy new year is not going to be for this particular person for whom we are talking about. Money counting machines are being sent to his premises now. Definitely, see, any person who has done something wrong, who is hoarding unaccounted money or other important things or valuable things, then definitely it is the duty of the central agencies to do their job. So central agencies, they are doing their job, but the thing is, when political parties like Samajwadi Party, they start politicizing it and start saying that you are targeting our men. So if any person coming from any community is doing something wrong, then are you going to advocate about that person? But the thing is, still I'm waiting. Since last 2 days, I have been asking one question, and since yesterday, I've been asking one question from Samajwadi Party, that what is your stand on Muhammad Yaqub and Mia Malik? Are they your people? They are not giving any reply on this. So definitely, 1 + 1 makes 2, and they think that number 2 का काम जो होता है सबसे अच्छा होता है, but not for this government.
Well, yes, Anila Singh ji, we had seen how the Samajwadi Party MLC had also been raided upon, and the Samajwadi Party had tweeted yesterday claiming that the BJP's frustration is in fact visible via these raids, and that they want to carry out this crackdown on the people of the Samajwadi Party as well. I thank you for joining here on the broadcast. We will be keeping a close track of that developing story with respect to the perfume businessmen now being raided upon. Malik Mia's residence is where the IT department's authorities, in fact, bringing in the cash counting machine, the visuals of which are on your screen, viewers, which also tells us that there is unaccounted cash also going to be seized from this particular premises.